Hi students, welcome to today's class. So far we have studied about the importance or gift of chemistry, but it has got a dark side also. That is, it is a boon and at the same time a curse. So dear students, today we are going to study about the harmful effects of chemistry. Let us see what are the harmful effects of chemistry. Increased pollution, depletion of natural resources, destructive weapons. These are some of the harmful effects of chemistry. So let us study in detail one by one. Chemical processes in industries produce harmful smoke, poisonous gases and toxic waste products that cause both air and water pollution. You are familiar with the word pollution. What is pollution? The contamination of air, water and soil by harmful substances is known as pollution. These harmful substances that cause pollution are known as pollutants. Harmful pollutants cause many diseases in human beings as well as in plants and animals. Air pollution and water pollution are the major problems that we face today. In the picture you can see the pollution, air pollution. Air pollution is mainly caused by industries or factories. Smoke and harmful gases coming from factories and industries cause air pollution. Not only this, automobiles also cause air pollution. In automobiles, fuel is burned, and when these fuels are burned, they produce harmful gases, and these gases are released into the atmosphere, thereby causing air pollution. Pollution is caused by the contamination of water. Harmful substances are dumped into water bodies, thereby causing water pollution. As a result of this water pollution, the aquatic animals cannot survive in water. One of the harmful effects of chemistry is the depletion of natural resources. Let us see how. Application of chemistry has increased industrialization. Industrialization means having more and more industries. We have different types of industries like textile industries, fertilizer industry, electronic industry, automobile industries and many more. This has caused a depletion of our natural resources such as forests, minerals, petroleum and coal, and has also damaged our environment. For example, deforestation has caused an increase in the carbon dioxide concentration of the atmosphere, which has caused a rise in temperature. It has also resulted in less rainfall. Do you know what is deforestation? Deforestation is cutting down trees. What are the harmful effects of deforestation? Have you ever thought? Before that, let me ask one question. What is the importance of carbon dioxide in air? And how this carbon dioxide is related with plants? You know that plants take carbon dioxide for preparing their food. We all know that plants are the producers, and we, the human beings and the animals, depend on plants for their food. Plants take carbon dioxide and prepare food using sunlight, chlorophyll and water, and the process is known as photosynthesis. So plants absorb carbon dioxide Thereby, to an extent, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is balanced. But what happens when the trees are cut down? Nowadays, we cut plants for making houses, other buildings, etc. When the trees are cut down, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases. As a result, the temperature of the earth increases. So when the amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases, the temperature of the earth increases. That means our earth gets hot and hot. This phenomenon is known as global warming. Nowadays, global warming is one of the major issues that the whole world faces. Hi students, welcome to today's class. When these fuels are burned, it can cause pollution. Burning of fossil fuels causes pollution. In the engines of automobiles, petrol or diesel are burned. When these substances are burned in the engines of these automobiles, they release harmful gases and smoke into the air and thereby causes air pollution. Chemistry finds use in the development of explosives such as TNT and RDX and other deadly weapons such as atom bomb and hydrogen bomb. If misused, explosives and weapons can cause massive destruction to life and properties. See, explosives can cause destruction to life and properties. Example for explosives are TNT and RDX. TNT, the full form is trinitrotoluene, and RDX means Research Department Explosive. So TNT is trinitrotoluene and RDX means Research Department Explosives. So if we misuse these explosives, it can cause massive destruction to life and properties. On August 6, 1945, during World War II, America dropped the world's first deployed atomic bomb over Japan city of Hiroshima. Till today, the people of Hiroshima, they are facing the harmful effects of that atomic bomb. So today we have studied the harmful effects of chemistry. Now it's time for assignment. Watch the video carefully and do the assignment and submit to me at the earliest. Winding up for the day. Thank you.